In this session, we are going to be talking about how to retrieve and view data in Laravel. We will learn two ways to retrieve data in Laravel. The first way of retrieving data is by using the Laravel query builder. So you need to import the DB class in your controller as shown by the image below if you want to retrieve or view data by using the Laravel query builder. You have just to put use eliminate /support /facades /db. And the second way is by using the Laravel Eloquent. And the Laravel Eloquent is the most popular method, the most popular used method. And it is very simple and very clear. And if you want to use the Laravel Eloquent, you need just to import your model in your controller. And by using the Laravel Eloquent, you are really using the model concept in your Laravel project. So it is very clear and very simple. But also you can use the Laravel query builder. But how to use the second way, you need also to import the model. You have to import your model if you want to use the Laravel Eloquent. You need to import your model in your controller. And you're gonna say use space app /name of your model, and you can retrieve and view different data from your database in the Laravel PHP framework. So let us see how to retrieve and view data by using these two ways, these two methods in Laravel. In this session, we are going to see how to view different information that we have just saved. For example, the mango, the strawberry. So the desire is to display, to view all this information, and we are going to back here. So the desire is to view this information once we click on the services page. And we are going to display, to view all information that we have just created. So let us back here. As you can see, if we want, for example, to view information from the database, we have two ways, two methods. We have first of all to use the DB class and what we call the query builder, and the second way is to use the model. And we are going to begin first of all by using the query builder, and we are going to use the services page. And as you can see, if we click on services on the services page, we are redirected to the pages controller inside of our services function, and we are going to come to the pages controller here. And then the first thing we need to use the first method, the first way, by using the query builder. So you need to import the DB class, and if you want to import the DB class, you have just to put this use eliminate, you're gonna put /, you're gonna say support, and you're gonna put facades, and you're gonna put /, and you're gonna say db. This is our class, and by using the query builder, you're gonna import this class. And the thing you need is to create your variable, which is going to contain all your fields that you want to retrieve from your table. And you're going to say, just go to the database, which is basic lessons in our case, and go to the products table. And you are going to get all information, all fields. So what I need to do, I'm going to say get like this. And I'm gonna put semicolon here. You have really to put what you have in your database as table here, products table. And how to return this page, the services page, with all this information, with all fields we have in our products table. Because if we reload the page, you're gonna see we're gonna get the same thing. And the desire is to display, to view all information, the product name, product price, product description in our services page. And here we are going to say, we are going to return the services page, but you're going to return this with the products properties, all products table fields. You're going to say like this, return like this. You're going to say with, and just take what you have here, products. Do not take the $sign, and you're going to say take this variable, you're going to put comma like this, and that means what you will while return, for example, viewing, for example, the services page will also get these properties, will also get all fields that we have in our products table. This is the meaning of this return with products and products like this. And make sure to put the same thing here. And I'm going to take all this variable here, products. I'm gonna copy these products, and I'm gonna come to the services here, and the desire is to display our products after welcome to the services page. And how to do that? I'm going first of all to create a for each loop, and by using blades, you're gonna say for each like this, and you're gonna pass here. You're gonna say for each product x as product, and here inside we are going to be displaying each information, each field. We are going to create first of all a well class here inside of a div like this, and the first thing we are going to put it in the h1 tag property, and here we're gonna say displayers the product name, and we're gonna say product like this, and we're going to get the product name like this, and if I want, for example, to display the product price, I'm going, for example, to use the h3 and product price. I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna put a $sign, and here I'm gonna say product price like this. And after the product price, and we have also the product description. The product description, we're gonna set our product description in a paragraph. We're gonna set our product description like this. Product description like this in a paragraph, and after that we are going to set a natural here, and we are going also to display the timestamp, because if we come here we're gonna see we have created it, and we are going to put it in the h4 property